Okay, let's begin with number 17. The question says, if 0.5 mole of a monoalkanoic acid weighs 44 grams, determine the molecular formula and the name of the acid. When they say monoalkanoic acid, it is still the same alkanoic acid you know, with the general molecular formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH. Monoalkanoic because it has one carboxylic acid functional group, which is this. So it is the simplest alkanoic acid group you know. We have some other ones that have more than one carboxylic acid groups. Example, oxalic acid, okay? But when they say monoalkanoic acid, it's the one you know with this general formula. And remember, in finding molecular formula, you equate empirical formula to the molar mass to find N, or you equate the general formula of the homologous series, that's the family, to the molecular mass to find N. Now we don't have the empirical formula, but we know the general formula of the family. That is the major test here for them to identify if you know the general formula and how to use it. Okay, now we need the molar mass of this compound they are talking of. We weren't given, but we have something to find it. When you hear molar mass, it simply means the mass of 1 mole. The molar mass of a substance is the mass of 1 mole of that substance. We have 0.5 mole of the substance weighing 44 grams. So with this, we can find the mass of 1 mole, which is the molar mass. So if 0.5 mole of the acid weighs 44 grams, 1 mole of the acid will weigh the molar mass, okay? So finding the molar mass is 44 times 1 over 0.5, okay? This will give you 0.5 means half. So this will give you double the initial mass. So we have 88 grams. So the molar mass of the acid we are talking about is 88 grams, okay? So with this, we can move on to finding N. How do we find N? We equate this to the molar mass. So CnH2n plus 1 COOH is equals to the molar mass. It means the sum of the atomic masses here must weigh 88 grams. Okay? Now, finding M. The atomic mass of carbon is 12. You can see that it was given in the question. Okay? So we have 12 times N plus 1 times 2N, because the atomic mass of hydrogen is also 1. So 2N plus 1 plus atomic mass of carbon is 12. Atomic mass of oxygen 16 plus 16 plus 1. Everything is equals to 88. Okay, so we have 12N plus 2N plus the sum here is 46. 1 plus 12, 13, 14, 20, 20, 30, 46. Everything will give you 88. Okay, 14N will give you 88 minus 46. 14N will give you 42. Then your N will give you 42 divided by 14. Okay, If you do your calculation well, you will get, I think, 3. Let's find out. Yeah, the answer is 3. So our n is 3. If our n is 3, all we need is to impute n in the general formula, and we get the formula of the compound. So Cn, if n is 3, then we have C3H 2 times 3 plus 1 COOH. So in summary, our molecular formula becomes C3H7COOH. Okay? If you equate the mass, if you find the mass of this compound, you get 88 grams. That shows that you are correct. Okay? So our compound is molecular formula. So our compound is butanoic acid. All right. Thank you.